those snow clouds or rain clouds or whatever they are. They're cold clouds. One of my viewers was telling me a while ago it's like 5 degrees at her house. It's up around Iowa or somewhere, but it's coming our way. We predicted to have some snow. It's been a while since I've seen my yard covered in snow. Today I'm going to show you a little real fan video, but I thought I'd get out here and do a little cold intro. That cold breeze is blowing right in my face. I'm sure the camera microphone's picking it up. It's only 41 degrees. That's not so cold, you would think, but with that wind, it feels more like 21 degrees. Look at that mistletoe growing up there in the top of that oak tree. When I was a kid, we used to get some out of the tree and sell it to people. You see that rose bush out there blowing like crazy, and the tree limbs whipping around. You can't hear the wind, maybe you can sure see it. Anyway, I'm hoping my viewers are going to all survive the cold snap we got coming. Walter's not going to be out here too long. Today's Real Fan Remake, I transferred a bunch of them over from my external hard drive to my hard drive on the computer, so I'll have some to remake. I think today I'll show you one with a mighty loud horn. I need to get out here and do another test on my horns I have, my train horns I have in the basement. But I can't do that because my air compressor's broke. Guess an upcoming project would be get a new air compressor or repair mine. Maybe I'll get lucky to just trip the fuse or something. Anyway, I hope y'all do stay warm. We're predicted to be severe cold here the next couple, 5 or 6 days. This is at my limit already, so what can I say? I got no choice. I got to deal with what comes our way. Oh yeah, that's cutting me right to the bone. We're going in the house. Y'all enjoy my Real Fan Remake, and your comments are most welcome. My viewers should be warned. This SD70 Ace is fixing to wake up you and everybody in your whole household if you haven't adjusted your volume. This will be the ultimate train horn coup de grâce.
736 has clear signal. Bunch. Southbound. 736 out.
Alright, let's go 736. He's gonna wake us up with that horn here in a second. Oh yeah. I was going to say thanks for watching, but it might be more appropriate to say thanks for listening.